Hi there, I'm Kate, a member of the nursery team here at the Greenery Garden Home. Today I'm going to talk to you about indoor pet-friendly plants. To keep our pets safe, we should keep our plants elevated and out of reach. Things such as plant stands, countertops, or shelves are really great to keep them out of reach. This just means that they physically can't get to the plant, which means they're not going to be in danger of eating it. Another way to keep our pets safe is to use organic and natural products when feeding our plants. Unlike other fertilisers that might have nasties that hurt our pets, We the Wild is a natural worm casting fertiliser. If your pet eats any of your plants and you're concerned about them, please contact your vet. One of my favourite pet-friendly indoor plants are ferns. They grow really well in humid spaces like the bathroom. Alternatively, for something with a little bit more colour, a calathea is great. And something with a little bit more height are things like our palms. And here we have a lady palm and a parlour palm. If we're looking for a flowering indoor plant, orchids are a great addition. They are non-toxic to our pets. All the plants that I've spoken about previously have been pet-friendly. If a pet is to ingest them, it's going to be completely fine. However, we should be careful with other indoor plants, such as philodendrons, and devil's ivy can be toxic to our pets if ingested. Other plants, such as peace lilies or ZZ plants, can also be toxic to our pets. The Greenery is a pet-friendly space. Please feel free to bring in your furry friends. On Wednesdays, we have Wags Wednesdays, where they get a free treat. That's my video on pet-friendly indoor plants. If you have any more questions, feel free to come down to the Greenery. We're open 6.5 days a week. Thanks for watching.